Okay, remember all these squares were cut at 5 inches square, and they were the ones that we fussy cut from all the fabric that came in the kit. So it tells you how many to cut of each piece, and then you wind up with a few extra if you want to keep cutting. But then you get to decide how you're going to place them in your quilt top. And they're calling this the red heart, and I took the ones that had the most red and kind of put them in the inside of the heart, and not so much in the outside, these really bright red. And you can place them any way you like, but I kind of do a mirror image. I've got 2 here, kind of matched it over here, kind of the same thing. You don't have to do it that way, but the best way to decide how you're going to do this is to have a design wall. If you don't have a design wall, I suggest you lay it out either on the floor or a tabletop, or even a bed would work. But if you don't have a design wall, you need to get one because they're fabulous. And but it helps with your placement, and you get to see what your quilt's going to look like before you go to the trouble of doing all of that sewing, and then you realize, oh, I don't like that one there. This way you don't have any oops, and it comes out really pretty. Thank you.